We continue to track Fred. Right now, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's hurricane hunters are flying into that storm to get the latest information. You know, we were there this morning around 4 o'clock when the plane took off. The crews have been working extremely hard.
The preparation process for a storm like Fred is I would say the majority of it's mental. So there's a lot of mental gymnastics that happens before we attempt to undertake the storm.
Plenty goes into that effort right there. NOAA's fleet moved to Lakeland Linder International Airport from MacDill Air Force Base about 4 years ago, Grant.
Yeah, not just NOAA, but also the Air Force also has a fleet of hurricane hunters that works with NOAA as a team to help investigate tropical systems. Here's a look at how they gathered this critical data.
Hurricane hunters provide a lot of information about a storm, but how are they even getting inside? They're flying a plane called the WC-130J, like this one. It's a modified version of the C-130 plane that you might see dropping the red stuff on a fire out west. Now, these planes are tough. They can fly for longer periods of time, and they can really take a beating. These airborne science missions are run by the 53rd Weather Reconnaissance Squadron, which has been flying into storms since 1944. In the cargo section of the plane, there are 2 different pallets of computer systems that take all of the data from the sensors on the plane's exterior to help determine what's going on inside the storm. The hunters also drop these parachute-type sensors called sondes, which float through the storm, relaying the info about the storm's pressure, wind speed, and direction. That information all comes together, it gets processed, and is then shared through the National Hurricane Center for us to share with you.